rolling. These sizzling chicken fajitas are packed with juicy chicken, colorful peppers, and gooey melted cheese. Season the chicken with paprika, cumin, garlic, black pepper, salt, and a splash of lime juice. Cook the seasoned chicken in a hot skillet until golden, juicy, and lightly charred. Add colorful bell peppers and onions, then saute until tender and beautifully charred. Top everything with plenty of shredded cheese and let it melt into a creamy, cheesy layer. Look at that gorgeous cheese pull over the sizzling chicken and peppers. Warm the flour tortillas until soft, flexible, and lightly toasted. Fill the warm tortillas with cheesy chicken and colorful veggies. Fold them tightly, then toast until golden and crisp. Give them one final toast for that perfect golden finish. Slice one open and reveal that juicy, cheesy filling. Garnish with fresh cilantro and lime. Serve with salsa and enjoy this cheesy fajitas hot.